The one fun part about the future is that it's waiting to be explored. It's waiting to be discovered. And now from this point forward, you have the rest of your lives to discover your future together. That you're never going to have to walk into that uncertain future alone, but rather you have not only each other, but you have all of us sharing in that companionship, sharing in that journey. That's what you get to share from now until the last day that you spend together. That's the beauty of marriage.
You say I'm the only one you'll never be without. I found you're the only one worth ever singing about. You write my name in your heart. Write my name in your heart. The strangers among us crumble, all we figured out. I found you're the only one I hold on to in the dark.
Oh, wow. I'm so surprised. Amazing.
I bet you didn't know that was going shock face. Give him a shock face.
It looks good. You're my one and only true love, my best friend and my better half. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I love you, Kaitlynn.
It's really exciting. Now you have something blue. I can't wait to spend our lives together. Love always, Chris. Mom, don't cry.
What is the... Oh, I love
My brothers and sisters, we have come rejoicing into the house of the Lord. For this celebration, my dear brothers and sisters, and now we stand, Christopher and Kaitlynn, as on the day they intend to form a home of their own. For them, this is a moment of unique importance. So let us support them with our affection, with our friendship, and with our prayer as their brothers and sisters. Then, with Holy Church, let us humbly pray to God the Father, through Christ our Lord, for this couple, his servants, that he lovingly accept them, bless them, and make them always one.
I, Christopher,
Take you, Kaitlynn,
take you, Kaitlynn,
to be my wife.
to be my wife.
I promise to be faithful to you,
I promise to be faithful to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
sickness and in health,
to love you
to love you
and to honor you
and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
I, Kaitlynn,
I,
take
Kaitlynn,
you, Christopher,
take you,
to
Christopher,
be my husband.
to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you,
I promise to be faithful to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and in bad,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love you
to love you
and to honor you
and to honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
Whoa. You look incredible. Incredible.
You like it?
Yeah. It's pretty good. Whoa. I win.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in public, I'd like to introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. Vorbach.
I've had the privilege of watching their relationship grow from young love into something truly deep and meaningful. The kind of love that seems so effortless that there's no question that they're made for each other.
And at weddings, you hear a lot about love and joy and the good times, as you should. But it's the hard times, it's the adversity that's going to make you closer and stronger as a couple. So you see, Kate, when life seems like a climb up a sweltering, humid, urine-smelling, dank Detroit stairwell, he will be with you. He is not going to leave you. He will be there every time. Because that's the kind of man he is.